To order a Chime debit card, start by visiting the official Chime website and navigating to the online banking section, where you will find the option to select the Chime Visa debit card. Once you've made your selection, scroll down to the relevant section and click on the Apply for Chime option, which will prompt you to verify your connection by confirming you are human. You will then be required to enter your personal details, including your name and email address, and proceed by clicking Next. After entering the necessary information and clicking Next again, you will need to verify your mobile number using a verification code. Following verification, open the Chime app and scroll down to the Link Your Other Accounts or Link Your Bank Account option. Then click on Connect Your Account. From there, select Link Your External Bank Account and choose the Account option. You will be prompted to continue with the process, at which point you should select your bank and enter your online banking details to connect it. After connecting your bank, you will receive a message indicating the delivery date of your card. If you need to use your card before it arrives, you can access a temporary debit card by clicking on the relevant option, scrolling down, and selecting View Your Card, which will allow you to make online purchases until your physical card is delivered.